morning to all. I am Dr. Janita, Associate Professor, Department of Mathematics. Today we are going to discuss about the topic name is formation of differential equation. Already my last class we will discuss how to find order and degree for the differential equation. I hope everyone understand very well. Again I repeat my last class session. Order it is nothing but the highest derivative. The degree, the power of highest derivative. Today we will discuss any differential equation will be given. How to write that? How to convert the differential equation? Any equation, how to convert differential equation? The formation of differential equation, it is nothing but eliminate the arbitrary constant. It is a important thing. We will keep it in mind. Okay, any problem will be given to the in this topic. First of all, how to solve in this equation. See, first I will discuss what is the solution working procedure. First, you have to count how many arbitrary constant appear in your given equation. See, again I repeated. Already we know very well what is the difference between constant and arbitrary constant. Normally we can say the constant is the number. All the number normally we say the constant. Okay. Now what is I told? Arbitrary constant. Arbitrary constant means what? Alphabets. Any alphabets appear in your equation, try to ignore that. Finally you receive one step, no? That is the answer for that equation. This is a working procedure. Again I repeat the working procedure. Any equation will be given. First, count how many arbitrary constants appear in your equation. Okay, for example, 2 arbitrary constants appear in your equation. What is the next? 2 times you are going to differentiate the given equation. Okay, second step is over. What is third step? Over the second step, what is you receive? That is answer for the question. But one important thing, keep it in mind. What? In your last step, not appear the arbitrary constant again. Suppose appear the arbitrary constant. What we have to do? Try to ignore the arbitrary constant. Are you clear? Again I repeat. First step, count how many arbitrary constant in your equation. That time you are going to differentiate the given equation. In your final step, not appear the arbitrary constant. Suppose appear means you have to replace the arbitrary constant. That's all. This is a working procedure of formation of differential equation. Now we will discuss one problem. See this example. Everyone we know that the equation called as straight line equation. What is that? Y is equal to mx plus c. Everyone we know that. Yes? Okay. How many arbitrary constants appear for in this equation? First of all tell me what is the arbitrary constant here? M and c. Yes? So 2 arbitraries appear. Isn't it? So how many times you have to differentiate? 2 times differentiate. That's all. So first we are going to 1 time differentiation. So dy by dx it is equal to m x goes to 1. C is a constant. After the differentiation the constant comes to 0. You know very well. So you received dy by dx equal to m plus 0. It is 1 time differentiation is over. But 2 arbitrary constants appear. So again we are going to differentiate the last step. So what is we receive? D squared y by dx squared equal to 0. See, this is the final step. 2 time differentiation is over. See the final step. Any arbitrary constant is appear? No. So this is the answer for in this question. Next we will discuss another example. See this is one of the parabola equation. Isn't it? What is how many arbitrary constants appear in this equation? A. Only 1 arbitrary constant is appear. So how many times we are going to differentiate in this equation? Only 1 time. Isn't it? See that y squared equal to 4ax. We have to do that first time differentiate. 1 time we have to going to differentiate. What is we receive the answer? First differentiate to left hand side. What is appear for left hand side? Y squared. Okay. We are going to apply the differentiation. 2y dy by dx. Go to right hand side. What is right hand side is appear? 4ax. So after the differentiation, the variable of x is going to 1. Yeah, yes, correct. So what is your receive? Equal to 4a. So what is you receive the final step? 2y dy by dx equal to 4a. One time differentiation because only one arbitrary is appear for here. So only one time only you are going to differentiate for in this equation. Yeah, that is over. It is the final step. But what is I told? Final step should not appear the arbitrary again. But here the arbitrary is appear. A is appear. So what is we have to do then? Try to ignore the A. How to try to ignore the A? Find out the value for A for given using the given equation. That's all. Very simple. We want to ignore A. How try to ignore the A? We don't know the value. We know the value for A. Easily we can apply the value for A to the final step. Try to ignore it. But we don't know. How to find out the value for A? Go back. What is the given? Y square is equal to 4ax. From using the given, find the value for A. What is A? Y square divided by 4x. This A value again substitute to the final step. Then simplify, you receive the answer. See the final step. Y minus 2x dy by dx equal to 0. See this equation. No arbitrary constant. So this is the answer for this question. Like in this way, we have to follow the working procedure. Easily we can find out the formation of differential equation. See that next one. Third example. X equal to a cos nt plus alpha. How many arbitrary constants here? A and alpha. How many times you have to differentiate? 2 times. The previous examples, normally any equation means what is right your mind? Differentiate with respect to x or y. Nothing wrong there. But read the question, read the equation very carefully. What are all the parameters appear? See this one. Here, differentiate with respect to t because t is a parameter for the example number 3. So, differentiate with respect to t at 2 times. That is most important thing we have to follow in this problem number 3. See that. First we are going to one time differentiate. Minus na sin nt plus alpha. Second time we are going to differentiate. What is we received? Minus n squared a cos nt plus differentiation of sin. What is it? Everyone we know that. Minus cos theta. Differentiation of sin theta. We can write minus cos theta. The same trigonometric formula. Simple trigonometric formula only we have to use for here. So minus n squared a cos nt plus alpha. So what is your answer? See that example. Answer is minus n squared x. Okay. So it is a final step. See the final step. Any arbitrary constant is appear? No. So it is the answer for this question. Thank you.